This tutorial uses Photoshop to create a clean architectural rendering. Begin with a facade photo that appears flat or unrefined. Use perspective warp to straighten building lines and correct distortion. Ensure vertical lines stay parallel for a professional architectural look. Apply a vibrance adjustment to enrich muted tones without oversaturating. Use the clone stamp to remove distracting elements such as signage or cables. Next, simulate evening lighting by adding warm overlays in window areas. Use a soft brush set to screen and build glow slowly. Add reflections on glass by duplicating sections of the exterior and lowering opacity. To give the structure presence, enhance edges with a subtle sharpen layer. Finish with a vignette applied through a masked curves adjustment to frame the building subtly. Export the rendering with high clarity for presentations.